Video I want to share you about some basics of Python. Okay, this is the last video of basics. Now see here, what is program. Program is a set of rules that instruct computer to perform specific task. Okay, there are some high level languages are basic C++, COBOL, Java, Fortran, Ada, and Pascal. Each programming language has a unique set of keywords and a special syntax for organizing program instructions. There are What is the difference between scripting and programming language? Programming language is an artificial language that can communicate to instruct the machine, like computer. Scripting language is an extension language that allows control to of one or more applications. Now, programming languages are compiled then interpreter. Scripting languages are interpreted with one another's means interpreted by the browser. Now, it is a compile based language. Programming is a compile based, and scripting is interpreter. And programming develops something from scratch, and scripting used to combine existing components. And the programming does not require a host, and scripting require a host. Examples of programming is C++, and scripting examples is JavaScript. And what is programming paradigm is nothing but programming language is based on their features. Paradigm is nothing but single program can feature multiple fragments. We have four types: imperative, declarative, structure, procedural. Imperative means explicit sequence of commands that update state. Declarative means specifying the result you want, not how to get. Okay, we are specifying and declaring the result. Structured means is a clean and nested control structures. Procedural means imperative programming with procedural calls. Now, functional programming means functional calls will avoid any global state. Functional level means there will be no variables at all. Object oriented means defining objects that send messages to each other. Objects have their own internal state and public interfaces. Object orientation can be class based, prototype based. Class based means objects get state and behavior based on membership in a class. Prototype based means objects get behavior from a prototype object. Okay, this is a total basics of Python. Okay, I am so interested for coding. Tomorrow we will see for coding. Okay.